so let's get started with our speaking exam. So this is the beginning of your speaking exam, and my first question to you is, did you learn to swim when you were a child?
Not actually. I was very afraid of water, and my mom also didn't let me learn that skill, but it's really a life-saving skill actually.
Okay, and how often do you go swimming now? Like, if you get a chance, how often do you think you will go to swim?
If I get a chance, I think I would go to regular basis or 3 to 6 days in a week.
Okay, great. Now you will have 1 minute to go through this card, and you can write some notes if you want. Okay, that's all. Now you will have 2 minutes to talk about it. So let's begin our part 2. Describe a famous business person that you know about.
Well, I want to tell about famous business person of my country. Sorry, in Gazipur city, where I lived in when I was a child, there are so many small businesses in that area, and my mom also is a business person, and she also ran a business, and still now she is running that business. It's about handicraft, and there are so many things in our little, so many things produced in our little factory. There are handcrafted flower vases and handcrafted wind chimes and many other decorative pieces are produced back then, and it was really a successful business in that time. And my mom, she's an amazing person.
Okay, thank you. Now let's move on to part 3. So my question to you is, what kinds of people are most famous in your country today?
In our country, the most popular person are like sports person, cricketers, footballers, and swimmers, etc.
Okay, and why are there so many stories about famous people in the newspaper?
Because they're so much. They can attract so much public attention. I think that's why.
Okay, and do you agree or disagree that many young people in today's generation want to become a famous person?
Yes, of course. Today, most of the young people want to be famous. It's now days of smartphone and many other applications, so that everyone want to be famous.
Okay, so that's the end of our speaking exam. Can I have that sheet, please? Yes. So first of all, I would like to rectify some of the things. Okay, so one thing that I would tell everyone, that is to be very careful about your body language. Your body language matters, right? So the first thing is the fact that you are not smiling throughout the conversation. It has to be a natural conversation. The people who gets a lot of grades in their speaking exam are the ones who makes it natural, not like an interview, because right now what we were having is kind of like an interview. So it shouldn't be like an interview, it should be like a normal conversation. I think I'll give her 5. If I say about fluency, I think I'll give her 4, like 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. Lexical resource, I think it's quite fine. So that's also around 4.5. Grammatical, I think you're good with the grammars. And accuracy is there, so I'll give you 5 over there. Pronunciation is good, so I'll give you 5 over there.